that it was Dogman. Now, I don't know if this is true. Truck down here. What's up, guys? Today we got a good one for you guys. Let's see where it goes. Now, this place is apparently there's a wolf pack down here. Now, that was back in 2001. Now, apparently the story goes that there was a homeless guy that came down here to camp out the night here, and he got chased by a pack of wolves. Now, they say that it was Dogman. Now, I don't know if this is true, but all I heard about is wolves. Now, wolves might be a big problem here, because let's face it, this is a forest with a road. So this would be curious if we could see anything dangerous. Some kind of ghost. Look down here. Looks like people's been back here doing some four-wheeling, probably. I don't see any activity of wolves, so who knows? That was like back in 2001. So there's been a lot of homes moving in the area. So there's been deer. So don't know what they were doing here. And I heard a knock. Pretty damn cool. Oh, I thought for a minute there was a wolf behind us. My eyes was playing a trick on me. As you could see, people's been like cutting trees down. Pretty cool. Imagine being down here with a pack of wolves surrounding you at nighttime. And as a homeless guy, you want to rest up for the next day. Man, I would hate it being chased down by wolves. Now the guy, I believe he's 5. No, that's what they say. So I believe the whole story about the wolves. But Dogman, I don't know. Who knows? There's, oh, shoot. There's a truck down here. There's a truck. There's a truck. Maybe that's the guy. You know what? Let's go. There's a guy down there. Huh? I wasn't expecting there to be a guy down there. A guy in a truck.
There.
Yeah. I wasn't expecting a guy truck down there.
How did he get down here? Four-wheel drive?
A truck. Looked like a brand new truck, believe it or not. I know what this is. Government something. Somebody was shooting BBs in that. Let me know what that was, guys. I don't know, the guy was parked down there. Looked like there was nobody down there. Whew. I was so determined to get a video out to you guys. And today was gonna be the day. And Andy will get a video out. And today we did. This was a somewhat of a gone wrong video. Wasn't expecting a guy to be down there. Yeah, but now it could be easily yesterday's tracks. Could have been like yesterday, a couple days ago. Luckily for me, I'm all dressed in black. That was a shadow to them. Hey, shadow man. We will be back definitely in the future. Believing this summertime we'll be back.